Hi, it's your friendly neighborhood capital bros.
We got monetized.
Coming back with the banger. Today is another episode of the Slice of Lives. Yes, another Slice of Life in the capital bros. We got monetized. Yeah, round of applause. Round of applause for the monetization.
Monetization, guys.
Tonight,
Hard work, dedication, Capital Bros teamwork.
to grit and soul.
Guys.
All the hours. So tonight, you're coming with us. We celebrate. We out here bowling. Then we're gonna have a night out in the club.
We're not making money any soon. Tonight we are celebrating us.
Yeah.
Just enjoying the things, man. You know?
Yeah. Celebrating Capital Bros monetization.
Kumakapaw!
Okay, great. Bowling series.
Capital Bros J. This is Capital Bros 04 with his first shot. Let's go.
You can use how many balls you want, bro. Pause on the balls.
I missed completely, ladies and gentlemen.
I got a ball.
They must put like a fix it.
I know.
Nice fix. Hopefully I strike it.
Strike it this time. No, this time, Joe. Okay. Mr. D.
This is me, it's just me.
Got her ball.
It's a gutter. I know the feeling.
This is only our first. We're not gonna record all the like by 4. We can't record again.
We're going again.
Yeah.
A double miss. No. It's for the community.
Got her. I'm recording everyone's second one in one scoop now. Jesus.
It's so slow.
Current score from the first round. Here we go.
So currently I am doing shit. However, within the parameter of the next three rounds, I might be in the lead.
Yes. The parameter. Here we go, 04. 04 going. Oh, is that a gutter ball?
Just whine it, bro.
Oh. Damn.
Whine it, bro.
Look at him. He's serious.
Come on, 04. It's bad again. Joker is on 15 points.
Look at him with his feet. He's doing some toes technique.
Whoa, it's suspect. This is the last round, ladies and gentlemen. 04 throwing his last one.
Champ, Mr. D. You are the champ. You had the only strike. Against me. Look at my form now. I was praying. Nothing. Mr. D had 2 strikes this game. There's 1. There's 2.
I was praying on his downfall, ladies and gentlemen. I was
But I
praying to
thrive
God.
on that shit.
Yeah,